Do you like the trains?
Mom, how do you do this?
We'll figure it out.
Wait. You have to go to the train. Mom, I think I can't do it.
I think you can. You gotta stand up.
Ow!
Stand up high.
Ow! It hurts me.
Okay, well then stand up. All the way up. Then try. I think you can do it. You keep trying.
Ow!
It's okay. You can do it. Did you do it? Did you do it? I think you did.
Mom, put it. So what's this?
That's another train.
Uh-oh.
Do you think Juju would like this? Rosa?
Mom, can you fix the train? Please.
Here. Look, the train's gonna go over there. Look, Juju, the train. Choo-choo. It's Thomas. And that's Rosa.
How do you do that?
You just push it with your hand.
You push it
Yep.
like this?
Yep. Doesn't work?
Doesn't work. Oh, I know what it's for. Look,
There you go.
I got it out.
Oh, cute.
What's this for?
I don't know. Do you think Juju would like this?
Mom, can you get that, please?
I have an idea. Maybe Diego can play with it next time. What do you think? Do you think that's a good idea?
Can you
Right.
give me that train?
You get it.